is it? It is the Pixel 6 Pro. So, they made 2 Pixels this year, the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. This is the Pro, of course. And let's dig in and see what it comes with. Bring it outside, so the box has some water on it. Slick. There's the phone. So one of the differences between the regular Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro is the addition of the third camera, which is the zoom camera. You see there's 3 lenses there. The main sensor, the ultra wide, and the zoom. Flash. Yeah, pretty big hands, but it's a pretty big phone, way bigger than the Pixel 5 last year. Then we got the charging cable and the converter from USB to USB-C. And that looks like that's it. No charger. So just like Samsung and Apple, Google has gotten rid of the charger starting from this model on, apparently. So hopefully you still have an old USB-C compatible charger if you're picking one of these up. Alright, let's go ahead. This cover. Ooh. Nice and slick. So there you have it. Pixel 6 Pro. And as you can see, it has a center cutout camera, kind of like Samsung's phones now. Last year's model had the camera in the top left corner here. So that's a bit of a difference. The camera bump, you can see there, so thick. Got the, what is it, smoky black color. It feels slippery, I think it's plastic. No? Oh, okay, I guess that's just how it feels. It feels nice, but really slick. So there you have it. I'll probably play around with it and check it out a bit more when I get some time, and then I'll let you guys know what I think compared to the iPhone 13 Pro I have here filming this. And yeah, first let me get this in its case. Did whatever case it came. Yeah, there's all the contents there of the Pixel 6 Pro. Nothing on the inside of the case there. Nothing else here. Besides those, I showed you. And not too much. Oh, and there's the SIM tray opener tool. There you have it. Alright, tune in for the next one. Have a good day.